Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay, I sent the homeworks yesterday. I'll
Ma'am,
check
the
it.
homework.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
We have to submit the syllabus.
Some questions we have done already, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
activity.
Now, what Ashish was telling?
Activity.
Activity. Well, Ashish was telling something about homeworks. What was that?
Ma'am, we have to do the homework in the textbook, right?
This one, decimals. Okay. That I told this about this chapter. This chapter decimals. Okay, children? Decimals you have to done in the textbook because it is all place values just to write it. But HCF, LCM, HCF, some questions were there, no homework. And factor tree, complete the factor tree like that one question was there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all those you have to write in notes. This chapter homework, if I am giving you, some questions are like that, is simply to fill in the table. Okay, so that you can write in the textbook itself.
Ma'am, you told to submit syllabus.
Okay, children. So good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So children, shall we start?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I will write the. You have your scale, pencil, everything.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We'll draw a place value chart. We'll draw a place value chart and we have to write the numbers. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to take a full page.
Full page. Better you take in like this. Your paper you take like this and draw so that there are so many columns because we have to write all the place values, hundreds, tens, 1 by 10 like that. So take your paper and draw the tables like this. Okay, so let me see in the board area there is tables. Maybe.
Ma'am.
1 minute, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is this? Ma'am. What place value chart? Okay.
Ma'am, today only no, we should show the activity.
1 minute. Let me count the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ma'am, we have to draw this.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, is this after the like finding the
Yes.
ma'am, is this portion?
Sorry, I'm not hearing anything, children. Tell loudly, please.
Ma'am, is this portion after the last classes notes you
After
gave?
the
The
she's
notes you
asking
gave
this
in
is
the
the
last
last
class?
place, you just do one thing. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, yes, yes. What is the problem?
Ma'am, we started a new lesson, right? Decimals.
Decimals.
Yes, ma'am. New chapter.
New chapters notes.
Yes, ma'am. We only took some, right? Only some notes were there. So this is the continuation of decimals.
Continuation. Okay, do one thing, children. You write the heading as place value chart. Okay, heading is place value table of decimals. Place value table. This is the heading.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
the heading. Okay. Times 10th, 100th, 1000th.
Ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
After once no decimal point.
Yes.
And after once we should write decimal point, right?
Place value table. What I have written, you write that. Okay, children. Will you listen to me now? 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm. Will you tell what is this number? That is the last column. You have to write the number here. Will you tell what is the number?
3.256.
3.256.
Yes, yes. After 1, when 1 by 10 comes, after 1, you have to put a decimal point. Okay. And all the other numbers, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, and 1 by 1000 will be the decimal part. Clear?
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this number is 3 point. I'll write like this slanted, otherwise I won't get the space. 3.256. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will write all the other numbers. You have to write the numbers. I'll write the place value. Fill the table. You should write the number. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'll just fill the table only.
Ma'am, can we write?
Yes, yes, you're right.
Advertisement, Daddy.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Ma'am, finish writing.
See, children, now I will write one number that you have to fill the table.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
my table is filled. I do not have to.
Down any down part, you just see any places vacant. Very less space is needed. Enough, only one number I'll give. This is the last one. What happened? No, there is one column less when I draw. So this was the additional question.
Ma'am, finish writing.
Okay. So this is the place value table.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Okay. Okay, children. Then first one. First one. Will you fill? Will you tell the answer?
102.630.
See, 102.630. After the decimal point, after the numbers, if you put the 0, there is no value for it. Okay, children? At last, no. At last, that is similar that if you write 102.63. If you want, you put a 0, but there is no value for it. Okay.
Okay.
Always take care. The next one is? Next one.
30.025.
5 and 30.025. These zeros in between, no, in between the 0 comes, that you cannot avoid. In between. Clear, children? I'll write here. I'll write here. Just see. If 0303 point, that indicates that there is not tens value. Okay, 25. There is not tens number. Clear? So there is not tens here. That if you write simply 3.25, that is enough. Clear? But in between, if it comes 30 point, this you understood. This is 30. So it has a value. Same as well as like this. 3.250. There is no thousandth value. Clear? So you can avoid zeros if you write here at end and at the beginning. This you can avoid. Beginning and end. But in between the zeros comes, you cannot avoid. Clear, children?
Yes,
So next one is 211.9.
211.902.
211.902. So 211.902.
902.
And this you have to fill the table. Tell.
0.
There is no hundreds. There is no hundreds. So 0,
1, 2,
2, 4,
4,
1.
1.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now shall I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Yes. All came today.
Ma'am, you can rub it now.
Smriti came.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is Smriti. I cannot see you. Where are you?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Namasya, Sri Rudra, Ameya, Devaganga, Sushma Vijayan. Who is that?
Malavika.
Who?
Malavika.
Malavika. Okay. Then I'll give you the next question. Okay, children. So I'll give now it is 9. Our class is still 9:15. No. So I'll give some questions for you. And 1 or 2 we will do. And till 10:45 you have to sit there and do. Okay, children? It's very easy. Very easy, no?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any other work? Did you have the breakfast today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
No.
No, ma'am.
So always this Thursday, no, you have the breakfast early and come. Because in between, sometimes I'll give some work for you. So you have to sit and write this. write the following. Write the place value. Okay, place value.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Hello, children. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the work for you.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
minute. 1 minute. This time. Okay, children. So by the next class, you have to do this. Okay, till 10:45, this is your work. What was the first question? Write the place value of the following decimals. Write the place value place value of the following decimals. Write fast. Following decimals.
Ma'am, we should draw a chart.
No need of drawing chart. First question I'll give 0.29. How will you write, children? 0 into 1, if you want, you write 0 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 9 into 1 by 100, like this. Clear? No need of drawing the table, just to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I'll give the next question 2.08. Third one 19.60. Fourth one 148.32. And fifth one 200.812. 200.812. Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, ma'am.
So 10:45, you have to come and do this. Okay.
Should we bring the activity?
I will check the activity also.
Okay, ma'am.
Children at 10:45 on board 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I erase it?
Yes,
Ma'am.
All
Yes, ma'am.
all wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have your
Thank you, ma'am.
presentation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.